Lindy and Jerry, thank you so much for letting us have this beautiful home to record in. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. You're everything I never knew. I always hoped for. You're the rhythm inside my soul. I like to explore. Sparkle in your eyes when you see the sunshine. Your heart is beating to the rhythm of mine. The scent of love is in roses and rain. Secret is in roses and rain. Beautiful children, Mikael and Nicole. They taught me how strong love is, even when my body gave up on me. I have some better days than others, and I'm enjoying every moment that I have, and I will continue singing as long as I can sing, as long as my body let me. I don't think I would be coming out with a full album at the age of 55 if I was in America. Because Americans are so good about you can do anything you put your mind to. This is a land of opportunities, and I am 100% proof of that. It's in roses.